What up? Bringing you another quick and easy meal prep recipe using only 2 main ingredients. You can get creative on any other ingredients you can add, but for the purpose of the video, we're going to keep it nice and simple again. There was a card at the beginning, a recipe card at the beginning, just to make it nice and easy for everyone to take a snapshot and get some inspiration for later when you are doing some meal prep. Enough waffling from me, let's get stuck into it.
So for this recipe, all you're going to need is a mixing bowl, silicone muffin trays, or just any muffin trays. Going to need some sort of liners, so just using muffin wraps. You can find these at any local supermarket. And we've also got a hand mixer, but you don't have to use a hand mixer. You can just use a beater, or you can just use a fork. Doesn't really matter. Just depends on what kind of consistency you prefer. So really the main ingredients are egg whites. Yes, you can create your own egg whites from your own eggs. I prefer these only because it just makes my life easier in terms of meal prep. So pure egg, and it has equivalent of 16 egg whites in every single carton. So that's good. Cottage cheese as well. Just your normal cottage cheese, run-of-the-mill cottage cheese. Gonna need half of that. Bit of ham, but it's up to you what you start to put in from here. You know, you can sprinkle a bit of parmesan in. The cottage cheese helps with the consistency, and obviously you want to get some, fibrous vegetables in there as well, and that's it.
Pour the egg whites in, chuck the cottage cheese in, just chuck half in, that's fine. Salt, pepper, anything else you feel like at this stage, some seasoning. Mix it all up. Again, you can use a fork. Recommend spraying a little bit of oil in there as well. I personally top it with some sliced tomato as well, but then you can also put a little bit of feta on the top, a bit of parmesan, whatever you feel like, and 180 in the oven, 20 to 40 minutes is sort of what I find it takes. But again, just once the egg whites, go solid, you should be pretty well right. When it comes to the frittata, literally just pour that mixture into a tray and straight in the oven for the same period of time.
Hope you enjoyed that. I'm currently using this recipe in my own meal prep. Keeps me going for about 4 days. I just whack it in the fridge and just cut it into portions, or I just eat 3 of the muffins at any given point. I think you can freeze it. I personally don't freeze it. I just do the meal prep over again. If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Early days, but that's okay. Got to start somewhere. So thanks, and I'll see you next time.